Welcome to DIY Creations. In today's video, we'll share essential tips on how to keep your succulents alive and thriving. Succulents are popular for their low maintenance, but they still need the right care to stay healthy. Let's dive into how you can keep your succulents happy and vibrant. First, let's talk about light. Succulents love bright, indirect sunlight. Place your succulents near a window where they can get plenty of light, but avoid direct sunlight, which can scorch their leaves. If your succulents are indoors, they will need at least 6 hours of bright light daily. If they are outside, morning sun is ideal. Next, focus on watering. Overwatering is a common mistake with succulents. These plants prefer dry soil, so water them only when the soil is completely dry. A good rule of thumb is to water every 1 to 2 weeks, but this can vary based on your home's humidity and temperature. When you do water, make sure to soak the soil thoroughly and let the excess water drain away. Avoid letting the plants sit in water. Drainage is crucial for succulents. Ensure that your pots have drainage holes to prevent water from accumulating at the bottom. If you are using a pot without drainage holes, consider adding a layer of gravel at the bottom to help with water flow. Temperature is another important factor. Succulents generally prefer temperature between 15 to 27 degrees centigrade. Protect them from extreme temperatures, both hot and cold. If you live in a region with harsh winters or intense summer heat, consider moving your succulents indoors during these times. Finally, don't forget about soil. Use a well-drained potting mix specifically designed for succulents or cacti. Regular potting soil can retain too much moisture, which is not ideal for succulents. That's it for today's tips on keeping your succulents alive and healthy. With the right light, watering, drainage, temperature, and soil, your succulents will flourish. Thanks for watching DIY Creations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring upcoming videos. Happy gardening!